Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to invite friends on Revolut. So guys, in order for you to do this, just simply follow along and follow the steps that I'm going to show you on the screen. So first thing that you will do is simply open the Revolut app into your device. And once you have done that, just simply go ahead and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. And from there, guys, just simply go ahead and select the Invite Friends tab from the menu. And from there, guys, you should be able to see the rewards that you can earn for the friend who joined Revolut by using your link. And from there, guys, down below, you should be able to see again, invite friends, and a pop-up will show up, and you will have two options. So you can choose to share the link into your contacts, and you can share them directly, or you can just tap on a share. And from there, guys, you'll be able to copy the link and paste it whatever you like and share it to your friends via other social media platform like Messenger, Facebook, Instagram, email. So it will be depending on you. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.